Thanks, Jasmita. Myself is Manjinder and I'm going to present mobile technology in airline industry. Mobile application is a technology that is undifferent from traditional devices such as computers. So mobile is a wireless technology which is used in airlines. Mobile technology is also a World Wide Web technology. It doesn't require any connection for communication for the customers as well as the airlines. There are so many technologies which my friend which I have discussed by my friend Jasmita, such as Bluetooth and GPS and entertainment, and so many technologies which are discussed by my friend Jasmita. Bluetooth is a technology which is working over short distance in the mobiles, and GPS is a global positioning system which is fine to longitude and latitude, and the entertainment is also a technology which is used in mobile to entertain the persons. This technology is used on mobile phones, PDA and other similar devices. So mobile web is a wireless technology, so it is mostly used in mobile phones and as well as devices which are related to mobile phones such as PDA and other devices. There are some examples of mobile technology such as air ticketing, e-tickets, reservation, marketing, email and online check-ins. I am discussed with you one by one. E-ticket. E-ticket is paperless ticketing which is used in airline technology. Customers can easily get information about paperless ticketing with their mobiles. Airlines can send messages to the customers through the mobile. So it is time saving and money saving for the customers as well as the airline industry. Reservation is customers can get information through the mobile for the reservation. Customers can easily reserve their seats as well as airlines by using the mobile web technology. Marketing. Airlines can also marketing is
advertising through mobile.
Advertising through marketing. Marketing is buying and selling. So customers can get information about the air tickets and as well as the flights. Emails. Email is an abbreviation of electronic mail. Customers can get information about the airlines through mobile phones. Airlines can send SMS to customers through the mobiles. Online check-in. Online check-in is another technology which is used in airlines. Check-in means online directory. So customers can send and receive message through check-in. So it is beneficial for customers as well as the airline because it is time saving and money saving for both the airline as well as the customers. How British Airways use mobile technology in their industry. Customers can buy e-tickets of British Airways from their mobile devices. So customer can easily buy e-tickets through the mobile technology. They can buy tickets on through the mobile, so it is beneficial for the customer because it saves time as well as money. They can reserve tickets online. Customers can reserve their tickets online by sending SMS to the airlines. British Airways give flight alert to their customers on their mobiles. If there is any change in the arrival as well as the departure time in the British Airways, they can send message to the customers for their information. So customers can get information for the arrival as well as the departure time of the airlines. Customers can get flight inquiries from their mobiles. If there is any change in the British Airways lines such as cancellation and delay of flights, they can send SMS to the customers through mobile, so customers can easily get information and of the cancellation and delay of the flights. British Airways send SMS to the customers for advertising purpose. British Airline use 2D bar technology in their airline, so if there is so they can advertise their technology through the mobiles to send SMS to the customers. British Airways send barcodes to the customers mobile to be used in check-in purpose. Barcode technology provides self-service to check-in and boarding aircraft. It saves the customer as well as the airways time. So it is beneficial for both the customers as well as the airlines. Barcode works similar as scanner. So it reads the information tag and keep the information of the customer as secrets. So next technology is e-commerce, which is presented by my friend Pia.